people, if you are running an online store based on CS Cart platform and you are looking for a fast and bulk deletion process of product filters, features and option, then this CS Cart bulk delete add-on is surely for you. For the online demonstration regarding the product, you can go to our Webcool store and click on this demo button. And for the documentation regarding the same, please go through the user guide manual provided at the store. Let us now proceed towards the installation part of this add-on. This is my admin panel. Go to add-ons tab and click on manage add-ons. Now click on this plus button to upload and install a new add-on and click on local and browse the zip file for bulk delete add-on. Select the file and click on upload and install. Once your add-on is installed successfully, you can view your add-on here in the installed add-on bulk delete add-on. Now let us move towards the products tab. Click on this products and go to the features tab. Here you can view the checkbox to select the features has been provided. Select the features which you need to delete in bulk. You can select all the features by clicking this checkbox, or you can choose any of the desired feature to be deleted and go to this drop down provided and click on delete selected. Click on OK if you want to proceed with the selected features to be deleted. Here you can view that the features selected have been deleted. Let us now see how to delete product filters in bulk. Go to products tab again and click on filters. Here you can view that again the checkbox for the filters to select have been provided. Select the filters which need to be deleted and again go to the drop down provided at the right side and click on delete selected. If you want to proceed, click on this OK notice. Here you can view that the selected filters have been deleted. Now let us see how to delete bulk options. Go to options tab and click on this. Now select the options to be deleted in bulk and go to this drop down and click on this delete selected. If you want to proceed, again click on OK button. Here you can view that the options selected have been deleted. Again, it has a feature where vendors can also delete options in bulk. Let me show you how a vendor can delete options in bulk. This is my vendor panel. Vendor can easily select the options in bulk and he has again the option to delete the selected options. This is how my CS Cart bulk delete works. Thank you so much for watching.